got here is a VN Clubsport. Very rare vehicle. It's genuine and it's in original condition. Might have a little bit of work done to it, I don't know. It has got quite a bit of power. Come and have a look at it. As you can see, the body's in pretty good condition. A bit of paint peel there on the door handle. Looks like someone's tried to break into it at one stage. These were, you know, popular car for the thieves years ago. It's got your typical stone chips on the front bar, you know, you gotta expect all that. In general, pretty good condition. Tyres are good. Vehicle is unregistered, but will be sold with a New South Wales blue slip. Got a couple of small dents here. Come around to the back, you'll see that the rear bar's got a bit of a crack on the paint here with the fiberglass showing. The tail light's got a small little crack. Bit of a scrape here. And on the back boot, just some minor scratches on the roof as well. Come have a look at the interior. There's no rips or tears. You can see the seat's been sat in, you know, it's a little bit warm. Plugs heavy. Yeah, there's nothing really, you know, you can see it's all original. It's got the original steering wheel, you know, original seats. This is a genuine Clubsport, by the way, VN. As you can see, the engine, perfect, runs really good. There's the build number, 325. I don't know how many of these they made, but they didn't make many. K-Max suspension. I missed a dent here on the front guard, right there. These vehicles are getting rare. Be worth a lot of money eventually.